Well, hi everyone. We will see first introduction to eBay. eBay is a worldwide online platform where people and businesses can buy and sell items. It is one of the largest online marketplaces offering a space for a variety of products and services. Similarly, eBay is a famous platform for its auction style listings where sellers list items and buyers can bid on them, adding excitement and competition. For straightforward transactions, there are also fixed price listings where items can be bought immediately. People can buy and sell many different things on eBay, such as electronics, clothing, antiques, and so on. eBay provide tools like PayPal for payments, seller ratings, buyer protection policies, and help with resolving disputes. There are also special sections like eBay Motors for vehicles and eBay Classifieds for local ads. Well, with the presence of, or you can say with the presence in over 190 countries, eBay is a popular site for millions of buyers and sellers, shaping shopping habits and supporting small businesses. eBay is known for its innovation, ease of use, helping both individuals and businesses to get success in the online marketplace.